So after I do my cardio fasted, I then get some type of carb in. So oatmeal, Ezekiel bread. So I'm gonna kind of take you through the shake I typically make. I'll throw some kale in there. I've already washed this kale off, and I like fresh kale. You'll see like the leaves are a little dark. I like the flavor of fresh kale. You'll notice it definitely tastes different than the type that's like already pre-made. So I follow more of a plant-based vegan diet. I don't eat red meat. I don't do chicken. I try to do fish every so often, once a week. Sometimes I miss that in my diet. So this is cashew milk and frozen fresh, just frozen fruit is an easy way to grab it, put it in the blender. If it's organic, great, but that's not a stop for me. I'm just want to make sure I'm getting some fruit in. Strawberries, pineapples, spirulina. Pineapple is good for your digestive system, so I like to add that into my shakes. With the stems, sometimes I include the stems in my salad, sometimes I don't. Same thing with the shake. I'm not a stickler on including them or not. So I'll do agave, I'll do truvia, any type of natural sweetener. It's lower on the glycemic index, I will do that. It won't spike your blood sugar up. So therefore, when you think about like diabetes, that's why a lot of times you'll hear, hey, stay away from white foods, because typically they are higher on the index, which means it just spikes your blood sugar up, right? And that has to do with diabetes. So today I'm gonna do almond butter. Sometimes I'll do avocado. Sometimes I will put peanut butter. Look at the consistency as you're making it. If when we blend it, I know it's harder to mix, I'll add some more cashew milk to it. Good. You'll find that the spirulina gives it a different flavor. So if you want to add milk, you can do that. And adjust it to your flavor.